Hello guys, in the last video we have seen complete introduction part for our main method, what is the requirement of the main method and how main method is available, what is the syntax of the main method and whether it is mandatory or not inside Java applications. These points we understood in the last session. Now in this video we are going to see an interview question like which one, what is the requirement to declare main method as a public. What is the requirement to declare main method as a public? What is the requirement to declare main method as a public? This is what exactly the meaning of which one can know? Main method. That means that interview question can know. So what is the need of public inside this main method? Right sir, in a simple answer here what I am telling now. Simple answer, very simple answer. To bring a main method scope to JVM in order to access, we need public in main method syntax. Point is very clear. To bring main method scope to JVM in order to access, we need public in a main method syntax. Okay, it will come for elaborated manner. We know already Java application execution will be started from main method onwards. Application execution will be started from main method. It means that if you want to run our Java program, JVM must access main method. JVM must access main method if you want to start our application execution. Clear? If you want to run main method by JVM, first of all, main method scope must be available to the JVM. When main method scope is available to the JVM, then only JVM can access that main method. If scope is not available to the JVM, then how it is possible to access that main method by JVM? So it is not possible. So because of that reason, to bring main method scope to the JVM, in order to access, we have to declare that main method as which one? Public. This is a point we have to understand. For example, assume it, JVM is a Java program. JVM itself is a Java program that is available in a package like which one here? com.sun.jvm is a package, for example. Inside this public class might be JVM class available. Just assume like this. Just simulated code I am providing here. Assume like this. Okay, fine. Now inside this there is a main method, public static void main, string array aux. It's okay. Now inside this here what we are going to provide there. Now test class I will prepare the test.main of something else here it is existed. Like this here we are having public class JVM and main method and test.main. Now this is available in a package com.sun.jvm in Java software. Inside Java software it is existed. Inside Java software there is a package com.sun.jvm. Now inside the JVM class is available where main method is available, that is JVM program. Now test class is our program here now. Now here what I will do now, I will take test.java file. Inside this test.java file here I will provide package com.durgasoft.core. Then inside this I will provide package com.durgasoft.core. Next one is public class test. Inside this I will provide public static void main, string array aux. Now inside this just some application logic here we provided. This is what exactly the content. Just observe these two programs here. This is JVM program, this is about our Auro program now. So inside the JVM program test.main is available, this is available here now. Okay, fine. When we execute JVM, automatically main method will be executed. Now JVM is calling test.main. Observe carefully. Now if I declare main method as a private, inside my Java program, if I declare main method as a private, Now tell me, is it possible to access this main method by JVM? The JVM is available inside a separate package inside the Java software. Now it is available, might be a D drive and core Java folder, might be test.java. There our package is com.durgasoft.core and here class test and public static void main is available here. So if I declare it is a private, no, this main method is available up to this class test or not? This main method is not available to JVM. This main method is available up to the respective class test. So private is not suitable. If you want to access main method by JVM, private is not suitable. Why? Because main method must be called by JVM. So its scope must be available to the JVM. But I declared private in the sense within the class only we have to access it. It is not possible to access that in outside. That's why private is not suitable. Leave it. I did not declare anything. We did not declare anything in the sense default scope is available for main method. Default scope is which one? In Java, that is default only. By default the scope of the variables methods is which one? Default only. Default I provided. Then what is the default scope in general? Default scope is available up to the present package. Up to the present package only default scope is existed. The default scope is available up to the present package only. It is not available to other kernel. Okay, now main method is default. So main method is available up to which one? com.durgasoft.core package only. It is not available to outside. But where is our JVM actually? JVM is available inside the com.sun.jvm inside the Java software. So the default scoped main method is available up to the present package only. It is not available to the JVM. So it is not possible to access main method by JVM if the main method is default scope. Good. Next one. For example, I am declared with which one? Protected. If I declare main method is protected, then what is the scope of the protected? Protected scope is available up to the present package. Up to the present package, protected scope is available. And the child class is available in some other. And the child class is available in respect to some other package. No. So protected means that it is available throughout the present package. And the child class is available in some other package. No. Good. Now this main method is available current package com.durgasoft.core and other packages, but that class must be child class. Okay, other package we can think about this like sun.jvm. It's okay. Now JVM is class is available. Now check it now. Is that JVM class is any subclass to our test class? No. Is that JVM class is subclass to this test class? No. To access this main method? No. It's not like that. So no relation is available here. No. So even protected is also not sufficient to bring main method scope to which one? No. JVM. Protected is also not sufficient. Then what next one? No. Next one is which one? Public scope. Public I provided. Public in the sense which one? Throughout our application. Throughout the system. Up to a single JVM throughout our application, it is available here. That's fine. Now whenever we declare it is a public, no, it is available to the present package, it is available throughout our system, even including com.sun.jvm also. We can access this public method at anywhere else in our system here now. Up to a single JVM. Up to how much scope is available for JVM, up to that this public scope is available. So now main method scope is available to the JVM. When main method scope is available to the JVM, now JVM can access the respective main method. JVM scope is available, that main method scope is available to the JVM. So JVM can access the respective main method directly. So this is the reason why main method must include public access modifier. Why? Because to bring a main method scope to the JVM, in order to bring main method scope to the JVM, in order to access it, to bring main method scope to the JVM, in order to access it, we have to declare that main method as which one can know? Public method. This is what exactly the point here we have to understand clearly about this main method. And after completion of it, another thing is which one can know? Okay, fine. We understood theoretically public is required for main method in order to bring scope of this main method to the JVM in order to access it. That's fine. For example, if I declare main method without public scope, then what will happen? If I declare main method without public scope, then what will happen? For example, I want to prepare a Java program. Public static class test, public static void main, class test, public static void main, string array args, class test, public static void main, string array args. Now inside this, here we are able to provide sys.out.println of, just I want to go for which one here? Java application execution. I want to write it. This is normal syntax only. Now let me check this. If it is okay, then I'll execute it. Java C space test.java compiled successfully. Java space test output we are getting there. That's fine. Now let me check this. I don't want to declare this public now. Let's say for example, I want to declare it as which one? Private. Private here I declared now. Observe carefully. Not as public. If I declare main method without public, then what will happen? Now here I am using Java 6 version. If you declare main method without public modifier, access modifier, in a Java 6 version what will happen? Java C space test.java. No compilation error. Compilation error is not available. Even though main method is not public, but no compilation error. Why? Because compiler will not give any priority for main method. Compiler will think main method as like normal Java method only. Compiler will think main method as like which one? Normal Java method only. Compiler will not think any priority for main method. Okay, main method is also a normal method. Compiler will check main method syntax as like normal Java method syntax. Next one. When we execute this, when we execute this Java space test, when we execute this, here we are getting a message in the case of Java 6 version. What was the message here we are getting now? Main method not public. This message here we are getting now. So JVM is giving priority for main method. JVM is giving importance for main method. If main method is not available and JVM is giving a message like which one? Main method not public. This message here we are getting now. So JVM is thinking about it. JVM is giving priority for main method, but compiler is not giving any importance for main method. Compiler will not give any respect to the main method. Compiler point of view, main method is also ordinary Java method. But in the point of JVM, main method is not ordinary Java method. Main method is which one? No, main method is a special method. So JVM will think that main method is a special method. But main method is not available. Up to Java 6 version we are getting a message like which one there? Main method not public. This message here we are getting. It's okay. Now here we want to go for which one? No, Java 7 version directly. Java 7 version. In Java 7 version what is going on? Java C space test.java. Java C space test.java. Just we compile this now. Compilation, no compilation error is available. Already set, the version may be anything. Java 6 or Java 7 or Java 10 or Java 11 version. Version may be anything, but the main method, that means version may be anything. Compiler will not give any respect to the main method. Compiler will treat main method as which one? Normal Java method only. Now in Java 7 version here we are able to get a different error message. In the case of Java 6 version we got that message is which one? Main method not public. But in the case of Java 7 we are getting a different message now. What was the message here we are getting there? In Java 7 version and above versions there, error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as a public static void main string array aux. Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as a public static void main string array aux. This output here we are getting. This is what exactly the error message here we are getting about this which one here no? Main method is not public. Understand it clearly now. So in the case of Java 6 version we are getting a message like which one? Main method not public. In the case of Java 7 and above versions here we are getting a message like which one? Error colon main method not found in class test. Please define the main method as public static void main clearly. So by this what we understood clearly, main method must be declared with public in order to bring main method scope to the JVM and in order to execute that main method by using JVM. This is the reason why we have to declare main method with which one? No, public. This is a mandatory case here we have to understand clearly.